How to generate AI images using Canva. So first, obviously, you have to go to Canva, and then you're going to choose what format you want the images to come in. So I'm going to choose a YouTube thumbnail, but you can choose any other format you want to use the image for. So I'm going to use 16 by 9, which is always on for the YouTube thumbnail. So when you're done opening that, you're going to go to elements in the corner. So press elements and then you scroll down until you see generate your own. So it's AI generator. So when you tap on that, it brings this and then you open. So it brings this description box where you can type in whatsoever you want it to create for you. So I'm going to start with a car driving in Japan with a background of Mountain Fuji. So that is what I want to do. For this image can give you realistic or anime or any other format you want. As long as you give it a description, it will give it to you. So when you're done with your description, you can go to generate, which is down. So when pressing generate, it takes some time creating the images, but it's not a long time. So it takes a while, and then when you're done, it brings few images for you wherever you can choose. So I'm going to choose this. So all you have to do is right click and set as the background, and if it doesn't fit well, you can also edit. Just tap in it, go to edit photo, and then go to crop, and then you can drag it where you want it to be. So this is how mine is. So this is our first image. Now going on to other images, all you have to do is just delete whatever you generated before, or you can also regenerate. So I've deleted autumn and I want spring. So you just add another page and you can click any image you want. So the same process, set the image as the background, and this is how it looks like. So a more realistic thing is creating an apartment, like images of an apartment. So that is what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to type in studio apartment with flowers, with art, and also a workspace. So you can put it anything you want, and I'm going to put with a black theme, and we see how that goes. If I don't like it, we can also change. As you can see, it's so easy, and you can generate as many as you want. There is no limit, so you can do anything that you want. So these are my images, and as you can see, apart from the previous ones, they are kind of more real. Like they look super real. As you can see, it's like a picture, which is amazing. So I'm going to change this because this doesn't look nice for me. I want some colors. So I'm going to generate again with a different, removing the black background, and as you can see, these look pretty and these look nice. So as you can see, this is so nice. So this is how you can easily generate AI images, whatever images you want, for free using Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing videos. If you want to download these images, all you have to do is go up and go to share. So after tapping share, you can go to download. So it's here, so you press download, and then you can press the image or the page number that you want to download, because may have so many pages, but you can just type in what page number you want and you can download to your PC or phone.